Sales leaders, are your teams having a hard time making their numbers? Is your organization simply not having enough sales conversations? And do you need to accelerate your sales pipeline? We know, and you're not alone. So, what is the one thing that you can do right now with your sales team to ensure that they're accelerating their pipeline? I'm Viveka Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer at Vengresso and co-founder. We're the world's largest digital sales transformation company. Now, before I answer that question, do you know that 82% of modern buyers start the buying process with a referral? So, what is the number one thing that you can do to accelerate your sales pipeline? Well, it's get more referrals and use LinkedIn to do it. Now, let me break down our strategy for you. First of all, you have to have your sales team pull out their client and named accounts lists and have them invite their current and happy past clients to connect. And make sure that they customize the invitation, referencing the business relationship. Now, normally I would never recommend connecting on LinkedIn before making your personal profile and branding exemplary, but I'll make an exception this one time because your sales reps already know their clients, I hope. All right, next up, have your rep go to their mutual connections on LinkedIn or their shared connections on Sales Navigator. So on Sales Navigator, you would go to your client's profile and then just scroll down a little bit and you can see your shared connections. Or on free LinkedIn, if you go to the profile and scroll down a little bit, under highlights, you can see your mutual connections there. So now I'm going to ask you to have them employ our two-step referral method. First step, ask 3 to 5 mutual or shared connections who are clients if they're willing to introduce you. But don't ask for the actual referral yet. Wait till they respond, and once they respond, choose the best client and let him or her know that you're going to write the introduction for them. The second step, email or message your referring client with the introduction letter, and then ask them to CC you either on an email or in a message when they send it to the person that you want to be referred to, because you want to know that they've actually done it. So we've had clients who've had 100% success with this method, trying to reach out to and start a conversation with hard to reach prospects. Whether you're a sales leader, BDR, account executive, national account manager, global account manager, or even VP of sales, this method can work for you and your team. Your client list should be opened up for anyone in your organization who's interested in starting sales conversations and increasing revenue. So let me know in comments below if this helped you. Please feel free to share this video with your reps. And of course, please feel free to either message me in the comments below or private message me with any questions that you might have. For more strategies like this, you can actually check out www.highqualitylinkedinleads.com. That's www.highqualitylinkedinleads.com. And again, I'm Viveka Von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso, helping you have more quality conversations with your LinkedIn connections.